Hello, welcome to Whizz Kids Online. My name is Sophie and today we're going to make a cotton ball launcher. So to make your launcher you'll need a short stick, so you can use a pencil, or I've got a chopstick here that I have cut in half, or you can grab an ice cream stick, and the fun way to get that is to have an ice cream and save the stick. Some cotton balls, a pen or a pencil. You want 2 small elastic bands, 2 rolls of cardboard, so you can use a toilet paper roll or a paper towel roll, scissors, some strong sticky tape, and a single hole punch, or just something that you can make a hole with. Okay, so the first step is to grab one of your rolls and we're going to cut it in half lengthwise. And the next thing is to roll it to make it half the size that it was before, and then tape it into place. So I've just got some tape in the back here. Grab that. Okay, so when you've taped it into place, the next thing you want to do is punch a hole on one side. And you want the hole to be about 1 or 2 centimeters from the edge. So I'm going to pop it there. And if you're not sure exactly where to pop it, you can measure it out and mark it with your pen or pencil. Then you want to flip it around and do the exact same thing on the opposite side. Once you've made your hole, you want to grab your stick and thread it through. Now, if you haven't used a round stick and you've used your ice cream stick, you can just make some slits with your scissors and it will work just the same. Okay, so when you thread it through, you want it to look like that, so a bit of stick hanging out on each side. The next thing is to grab your second roll and we're going to make some slits. So your slits should be about 1 centimetre long and half a centimetre apart. I'm going to pop that one there and another one about there. And again, you can measure it out if you want to be 100% sure. We're going to do the exact same thing on the opposite side. Okay, once you've made your slits, you then want to grab your elastic bands and you want to thread it through the slits that you've just made. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. So it should look like that. Then you want to grab your tape to reinforce it. So, okay. I'll do the same with the other side. All right, it should look like that. Now once you've stuck your elastic bands down, we're going to put our launcher together. So you grab your smaller barrel and you slot it into the larger one. And you want to make sure that your elastic bands are at one end and that your stick is at the other end. The next thing we're going to do is very carefully put our elastic bands onto our stick. Just make sure it's centered. Okay, now we're ready to launch. So you grab your cotton ball and you pop it on the top. And you might want to angle it slightly up so it doesn't fall off. So let's see if it works. Okay, so what's happening when you're launching your cotton ball is that you're using potential energy and kinetic energy. So when you pull your lever back, you're creating potential energy. And the more you pull it back, the more potential energy you create. And then when you let it go, it turns into kinetic energy. Do some experiments, see what happens when you pull your lever back just a little bit, as to when you pull it back a lot. Does it change how far your cotton ball travels? The other thing you could experiment with is the length of your elastic bands. Try making them shorter, try making them longer. If you want some more information about how energy works, there's a link in the caption to an article in Encyclopedia Britannica. So thank you for joining me. I hope you have fun building your launcher, and I'll see you next time. Bye.